So since COVID began, my setup changed a lot. I tried to keep my setup simple, but with my online school stuff, my room and setup turned to a mess. So today we are here to fix that on a budget. So let's start it. First thing I'm going to do is to take out all of the stuff from my room and clean behind the bed. Okay, now I'm going to vacuum the room and take out my old PC and monitor because I got a new monitor. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so now it's time to set up the new desk. So I decided to finish the desk tomorrow because it was late at night. So yeah, see you guys in the next shot. Alright guys, so it's day 2. I'm just currently working on the table. It's not done yet, so yeah, after I finish that, I'm gonna roll some clips. So yeah, see you guys in the next shot. Finished, as you guys can see. It is finished, but look at the mess. I need to clean all of these right now. I have to clean all of these. And this is the new monitor. And yeah, I need to set up all of these. So yeah, in the next shot, you're gonna see the room cleaned. And we have some stuff to unbox. So yeah. Okay guys, this is the final product, as you guys can see. So I got these 3 boxes. I bought a new mouse. There's 3 fake plants and also a new mouse pad. And this is the cable management. This is what I got so far. So yeah, this is what I got so far, and I installed the LED strip behind it. This is the new monitor. And what's cool about this is they have this thing, this for book stuff, but I put my laptop and also the school laptop, so I can switch it up and use it for school, and also whenever I use it for editing and stuff. So yeah, the room is kind of clean right now, so I'm just gonna clean. I'm just gonna unbox these 2 and then clean it up. So once I unbox it, I'm gonna show you guys what's inside of these things. Alright guys, so these are what I got. So these are the 3 fake plants that I got. It's very cool. It's silver that match the color, and this is a white mouse that I got. Is wireless and also has LED light. So, and yeah, this is the final thing that I got. So yeah, I'm gonna set it up and set up the whole room the way that I want it, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys after that. So yeah, see you guys in the next shot. So yeah, the setup makeover is done, and I will show you guys everything in the next video. So make sure you guys subscribe to be the first one to see that video. So yeah, now enjoy this little clip.